Hi guys, this is my first show I ever done, so if you could please give me some support. But anyway, let's get into the show. Look what just came. My pinkpalmpuff classic puff hoodie release. Okay, now let's just give a moment for the packaging. Let's just give a moment. Okay, now let's get in it. Okay, so I'm just gonna open it. A wave of love just for you. I'm actually obsessed with that. Okay, so now look at her. I got it in the size extra extra small since, as you can see, I'm not a teenager. Okay, so let's open it. I got it in pink opal. Oh my goodness, she's so cute. Look at this. Wait, I'm gonna try it on right now and then look at the back. It's so cute. Okay, I'm gonna put her on. Oh my goodness, she's so cute. And then look at the back. She's just so cute. And with the hood on. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye, besties.